This isn't a rush job. We'll spend more hours setting up these lines, valves, manifolds, than it takes to actually infuse the hull, because the setup is everything. Get it wrong and you've got dry spots, weak laminate, wasted material. Get it right and you've got a hull that'll take you to the canyons and back for decades. So we're here at our vacuum infusion control center. This is our vacuum system. That's our vacuum pump down there. Comes in the container. This feeds all the vacuum lines that go to our pressure pots, which are strategically located around the mold. So this is the feed lines of our resin. All the resin gets mixed and poured into the drum, and then each of these lines is going to a different point in the mold. The guy calling out inside the hull tells us open line number 1. We open line number 1, and when that gets to a certain stage inside the hull, he'll say open line number 2, so on and so forth, all the way down the line. So this is where the whole infusion process goes, all these feed lines. First we start at the keel, at the dead center of the boat. We introduce resin into the keel. As it goes out, starts going up the inboard stringers. At that point we open up the next feed line, which run longitudinally along the hull. And then when we get to the chine, we open up, there's one feed line along the chine, which feeds up branches that go vertically along the sides of the hull. Because this whole system is under vacuum, it's creating a void, basically a black hole. And as the resin is introduced into each section, the vacuum pulls it through and it super saturates every fiber from the outside of the skin all the way to the inside of the hull. By using a vacuum infusion system, we're able to know exactly how much room we have in our schedule and our build schedule, but more importantly, it gives us consistency. So every hull is consistent, every part that we infuse is consistent. And once you have consistency is how you build quality.